Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a bar chart in Google Sheets. To get started, open your file in Google Sheets. By doing so, you select the data to represent on the chart. When you select them, from the Insert menu, you are going to click on Chart. As you can see, by default a pie chart is created. Here, in the right side menu, click on Chart Type and then select the bar chart. You will see the change in the design. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.